Good morning, besties. Welcome to Vlogmas day 9, I think we're on. So, last night I got really sick, unfortunately. I was up until 4 and I did not get any sleep last night. I'm so tired. I feel so crappy, to be honest. If I wasn't doing Vlogmas, I would probably just sleep today, but also the cleaners are coming tomorrow. Thank the freaking Lord. I'm so blessed we're able to get a cleaner to come in because I just can't do it. I'm gonna organize today. I do have a ton of stuff to unbox that I got from Amazon yesterday. So I'm probably not gonna talk a lot in this vlog. I'm just going to clean and I'll have the video set up or the camera set up, but I'm not gonna do a ton of talking until I feel better. I'm just so tired. I had half my coffee and I wasn't feeling good. So I definitely need to see the gastro super soon. I think it's getting a little bit more serious. I don't wanna go, but I really need to figure that out because now it's starting to like really affect me. Anyway, I don't want this to be a super sad Vlogmas because Vlogmas should be happy, but this is real life and that's what happened last night. I'm so tired. All right, let's clean. I think Luke is supposed to be coming over to help paint, so I need to get the bathroom cleaned out because I really want to do the bathroom remodel as much as I can by myself. Well, not by myself, but I just want to get stuff done, so I want to try to do all of the activities. But all right, let's jump into the cleaning montage. where we're at with the bathroom. It's completely painted now. We took down the mirror. I finished building this corner unit. I don't want to push it against the wall yet. There definitely will be enough space here. And the hardware that I purchased, the screws don't fit, so we just ordered new screws on Amazon and those should come soon. So that's why I have the tape there, because it's magnetized. But this is the perfect storage cabinet for toilet paper and cleaning supplies. Oh, whoops. And all of that. So that's what it's gonna look like on the inside. It's gonna be perfect for what we need. I'll do a whole bathroom tour in a little bit, but that is just an update. And let's do our advent calendar together. A Tom Ford lip color, how fun. I'm trying to put it on so I can see what the color looks like. I have no other makeup on right now. This is so pretty. Before I go to bed, I figured we could do a little mask together because today was tiring. This is the Arcona mask. It says Star Child Moisture Infusion Firming Mask. I could definitely use both, so I'm excited to try this out. I haven't tried it yet. I do need to wash my face first though. Looks interesting in there. Let's wash my face. I'm gonna be bougie and use my La Mer cleanser. I actually really like this, unfortunately. It's such a good cleanser. I totally get the hype for this product. Still extremely overpriced though. Let's see what kind of mask this is. It's a little goopy. It has like 3 layers. Oh, I think I did it backwards. Oh, okay. I ripped the mask. It's falling apart. Oh my god, it's so cold. This is terrifying. Oh, it's so cold. All right, I'm gonna go relax and I'll update you guys tomorrow on how this is. I just want to go to bed basically, but I still need to eat dinner and edit. So sorry you have to see this. This looks so scary. Oh, I always put the serum down my arms. All right, everybody, sorry this video was just not it. It was a hot mess, but at least I got some projects done. I really need to shower and sleep. Like, I'm exhausted, I don't feel good. And I still didn't get everything done, and I still need to edit, and it's like 7 o'clock. So it's going to be a long night for me, and then I get to sleep, but let's have a better Vlogmas day 10. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.